Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you how to change the currency format in Notion. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to display your financial data exactly the way you like, whether that's in dollars, euros, pounds, yen, or any of Notion's available currency formats. If you often track budgets, expenses, or sales in Notion, this simple trick will make your workspace look more professional and much easier to read. Let's dive right in. First, we need to create a database or find the existing one you want to update. If you're starting fresh, just head to your Notion page and type Our Database. Notion's helpful/command makes building new elements super quick, and you'll see several options. For this example, let's pick the inline database so your table sits right on the page and you can see your data at a glance. Inline databases are especially nice if you want your financial tracking side by side with your notes or project plans. Next, we'll add a number property to this database. Think of properties as the columns in your table, each holding a specific type of information. Click plus to add a new property and set its type to number. This is essential because only number properties can be formatted as currency in Notion. If you set it to text or something else, you won't see the currency options later. So double-check you've chosen the number type. Now, enter some numbers into your new column. For instance, you might start with a few sample expenses: $15 for breakfast, $30 for supplies, and $100 for a workshop fee. It doesn't matter if you're just experimenting, because you can always change these later. Entering numbers helps you see the new currency format in action, so you know everything's set up correctly. Here's where the magic happens. Formatting your numbers into the currency you want. Click the column name of your number property to bring up the settings. You'll see an option to edit property. Click that, and you'll find details about your column, including its type and formatting options. Look for Number Format and give it a click. A drop-down will appear, showing all the currency formats currently available in Notion. These include popular options like USD for US dollars, EUR for euros, GBP for British pounds, JPY for Japanese yen, and more. If you're managing an international team or tracking multi-currency projects, this list will be your new best friend. Just select the currency you need and watch as Notion updates all your number entries in that column, instantly displaying them with the right currency symbol. For example, $30 will change to $30 if you pick euro, or $30 if you go with pounds. This makes your data clear for anyone who's reading your database and removes any confusion about what those numbers mean. And that's it. You've successfully set up currency formatting in Notion. It's a small change, but it makes a world of difference for clarity and professionalism. If you ever want to switch to a different currency, maybe your business expands or you work with multiple clients, just repeat these steps, and your format will update without losing any of your data. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Notion tips and productivity tutorials. If you have any questions or want to share how you use Notion for tracking finances, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.